Good morning, my dear student. Today you will write the quarterly exam. So this academic year, the first quarterly exam you will write. So keep in mind, everyone revise this because in morning to evening up to 6 o'clock you have a revision only. So everyone sit and revise everything. Do the sum correctly. So question paper, first you read out the question paper. You are grown children. First of all, read the question paper fully and what are the questions will be there. So everyone concentrate with concentration. You will read the question and then you put the answer. So what are the chapters for you means ideas of set, operations and Venn diagram, rational numbers, exponents and powers, and geometry, construction of the quadrilateral. So these are the portion for your quarterly exam. So children, I take the 1 mark from your book only. So in your book some definition is there, so many properties is there, on laws is there. So inside of the exercise you have a true or false and the fill in the blanks also there. So these are the combined, I take the 1 mark. So everyone revise read out the book inside of the exercise, fill in the blanks and true or false, and then you will read out the laws, properties and definitions. So those things are I collected and take it for the 1 mark. So everyone practice for that. And sum, everyone practice the sum. So you copy down, you take any one sum in your rough note, you note down the one sum and then that sum will be done in your own and then check with the answer. So this is the way to revise in your home. So please children, trust you. So everyone write the test in front of your parents. So don't copying anything. So you revise everything. So any doubt means ask children. So you know the roasted form, tabular form and set builder form everyone knows. So this one is important. So tabular form and set builder form everyone practice that. And the next one, the sets or cardinals. You find the cardinality of the set. So cardinality means number of the term. First you expand the number, what are the elements in the set. So everyone take the element and cardinality you find. And equivalent and equal means, equivalent means the number of element will be same in the two set, means the set is called equivalent. For example, the cardinal number is equal means the set is equivalent, but equal means number of term is equal and the elements also equal in two set, means that set is called equal set. So those sums are very important sum, and this also important sum in sixth sum. So statements are true or false. So this symbol is nothing but is the subset or equal to. The double headed arrow means that one is equivalent, equal to sign is there means equal set. So subset also, find the subset also very important. So everyone revise this. Next one, Venn diagram and operations of the set. So union, intersection, A dash, B dash. So everything is you know. So A union B means the both set having element, every element will be right, not repeated number will be right. Intersection means the common term only you write. A dash means it's a complement. Complement means universal set minus that set. That one is U. Suppose A dash means U minus A. U minus A means subtract from the universal set. The remaining first set is the answer. That one is the A dash. So everyone revise this those sums also. And Venn diagram sum, I am not to give any Venn diagram. Suppose it's given means you will do that sum. Suppose the Venn diagram not given, but every given is given for the sum. So what are the given to you? So what are the sums you find? So everyone read the question. And this type of question, everything I explained in before classes. So everyone study this. Only oranges, only grapes or grapes. Grapes and only grapes is different, you know that. The circle fully the grapes, but not included any other fruits, only the grapes means the half of the part is the grapes. So that one is you keep in mind. So read the question carefully. The next one is rational number. In addition of rational number, the main concept is the denominators are same means numerator is added. So first you change it to denominator same. So many methods I give to you. The cross multiplication method or multiplying the method. So any method you will do and find the answer. And verify the commutative law of addition means a plus b is equal to b plus a means the commutative property is satisfied. And associative also a plus b plus c. That means a by b plus b by b, the two terms you take three terms means a plus b plus c is equal to a plus b plus c. So the brackets will be changed for the associative property in addition. So additive inverse means you know that plus will be minus, minus will be plus. So subtraction also the same, from number first you write and then second number. The subtraction also same, the denominators are same means numerator is added. And verify this also, take left hand side first and right hand side second. First you do the left hand side, you find the answer, right hand side you find the answer. Both are same means it's equal. Not equal means not equal means it's verified. The next one, sum of two rational number is given, one of the number is given and find the other. So this is the total number. In total number subtracted one of the number, you find the other number. What number should be added to this to get this number? This is the total number. This number is added to another one number. So this number goes that side, it's a plus number. So everything I explained in the sum. So first you will take the classwork note, you revise that sum and do the sum in your own. The next sum, the multiplication of the rational numbers, same for commutative property. A into b is equal to b into a. Associative means a into b into c is equal to a into b into c. So everything is explained before. In multiplicative inverse means reciprocally change the number. That means numerator goes to denominator, denominator goes to numerator, but sign not to change anywhere for multiplicative inverse. Verify the number also. The left hand side and right hand side will be equal means answer will be taken. Distributive property is nothing but both plus and multiplication in the sum. The sum also I explained in before class, so you revise first. In multiplication of the rational number is very easy. The numerator and denominator is anywhere, you cancel the common term and then multiply the numerator separately and denominator separately. Divide the rational number also very easy. The division will be changed to multiplication sign. The right hand side number will be reciprocally changed. And those sums are also I explained in the classes. So you revise this every sums. And this 1D exercise some statement sum is there. So this statement sum, what are the sum I taken in the class? So those sums are you take for the exam revision. Exponents and powers also very easy exercise using the laws only. So everyone read out the laws first and you will practice the sum for the revision. And construction of a quadrilateral, the first sum and second, the first sum I do in the class, second sum you take it as a homework. And one more example is there. So in first example, construction 1. So this is an example. So these three sum only you will revise for the exam, because one sum only I asked for this. No need to write the steps of construction. So only you do the so only you write the given, rough diagram and fair diagram. Those will write means correctly means I give the full marks. So this is today revision. So everyone revise, please children, everyone revise and do the exam very well. So all the best children. So instruction of the examination I tell in the evening sharply 6 o'clock the exam will be started up to 8 only. Please children, everyone send the task completed before 9 o'clock. After 9 o'clock you will send means I am not to send the report, because only the timing of 9 o'clock only extending the time. So please children, everyone send the task completed up to 8 o'clock. Minimum 8 o'clock only you have an exam, but I given the half an hour extra 8:30. So everyone please 8:30 up to 8:30 everyone send the task complete. Thank you children to watching the video.